my channel. Today I'm going to review these little wallflowers I found from Bath & Body Works. They were on sale, so I'm going to try and figure out how to use these. I've never used these before. It seems super easy and simple, but is it really that easy? I'm going to see firsthand if it is. So right now I'm going to take off the label, and it has a protector, little protector for the outlet. And I got some fresh balsam right here. They were on sale as well, and it smells so good. It smells like pine, like fresh cut Christmas tree pine. Oh my god, this stuff smells amazing, and it's from White Barn. If you can see the tag, that's what you need to get if you're into the pine balsam scents. This is amazing. I would not tell you that it's amazing if it wasn't, because this stuff is so good, and it was on sale as well. They packaged it really well. That's for sure. I'm going to take off the packaging. I really want to try these. I've never tried these. I'm not sure where I'm going to plug it in at, but oh my god. Oh, my hands smell like Christmas. It smells like pine. It smells so beautiful. I'm going to twist off the top. I think this one kind of leaked out a little bit. That's why I want to use this one up first, because the other ones I got seem really full and, you know, it has a lot in there, but this one kind of looks like a little bit low. So I want to use that one to try it out and see if it's really worth it or not. And I can't even get this open. I can't even get this open. Like, how did it even leak out if it's packaged this tight? Am I supposed to pull it? I have no clue. Open, twist. I'm twisting. Finally got it open. I was opening it the wrong way, according to Haley, so she helped me open this because I was going the wrong way. I don't know. So this is what you get right here. Kind of like a Glade plug-in type of situation going on right here. And this cat smells amazing, so I'm going to put that over there, and I'm going to put this in here, and it says to take off the cap from the refill, and then it says to place it. It says to just twist Wallflower fragrance refill counterclockwise until it's secure. Opposite of the usual closure. So this would be clockwise, so we're going to turn it to the left. Oh! That's so weird. Why wouldn't you just twist it to the right? Because lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, right? So I don't know, that's like really weird to me. This is what it looks like once you have the Wallflower securely in your plug-in right here. Really pretty. Feels very heavy. Oh, it smells already so good. You can just smell it through the little scent holes. Whew. My gosh. So, where are we going to plug this in at? That's the question. Oh yeah, it says to keep upright or liquid will spill. Wipe up spills immediately. And just basically to keep the area clean so that way nothing gets damaged. The usual. So I don't know where I'm going to plug this in at. I'm just like, where? Okay, I found a plug-in. We have our little Joy Christmas plug-in, and we're going to put it right in here. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me turn down my brightness on my phone. That's what the plug-in looks like. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That's stunning. It has a light and everything. That's so good, and it smells so good. You can already smell it. Maybe that's me because I smell like a Christmas tree. I'm so happy. It looks so beautiful plugged in. I wish you guys can see it in person. I'm trying to show it the best I can on camera, but that is my first time using these Wallflower plugins, and it's so good. I've been sleeping on these. I'm so excited. I'm just like, wow. The holidays are here, and I'm so full of joy. Yay, I'm so excited. It went so well. I'm hoping that you guys saw in my video that it went really awesomely. It looks so beautiful in the corner. I love that it's a night light. If you're child or if you are scared of the dark, a great like little accent night light with a beautiful scent. As a fellow person who's scared of the dark, I am so happy to see that it has a light. It looks beautiful. It's very bright and glowing, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. That's like my new favorite thing right now. Who knew something so small and cheap would be bringing so much joy into the room. Thank you guys so much for joining me and letting me show you my first time using these Bath & Body Works Wallflower plugins for the holidays. Really excited to go out and get yourself one or a few today, along with these beautiful scented wallflowers. Oh my god, I've been sleeping on these, you guys. These are a 10 out of 10 hit. I highly recommend these for the holidays. I am instantly impressed. I did not believe I was going to be. I already can smell it all the way over here. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know. I'm feeling the ambiance. So go out, get yourself some of these today, the plugins and the little refills. Highly recommend the fresh balsam if you're going to get a pine scent. Look no more. I found the right one for you. The perfect balsam right here. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up. It's very appreciated, and I love doing these kinds of videos with you guys. Hopefully I'll do more in the future. Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.